Warm welcome to all of you and congratulations for those who have written this year 2020 IAS mains examination. Some of you might have qualified for Indian Forest Service mains examination as well. So those who have qualified for Indian Forest Service mains examination, it is a golden opportunity. You should write this examination with determination. Some of you might have thinking that whether to write this examination or not. It is because you might have focused on Indian Administrative Service mains examination till now, or you might not have studied this optionals which is required for Indian Forest Service examination, or you might not be having interest in Indian Forest Service examination. If you don't have interest in Indian Forest Service examination, but still you should know that it is an all India service examination just like IAS and IPS. So you will be having a good service condition in the field which is equivalent to Indian Administrative Service officer. So if you have a second thought about interest, please change your thought. So, and if the shortage of time is the reason for not writing this year Indian Forest Service mains examination, you should think it twice, because with strategy and right planning you can write this examination very well, and even you can qualify this year Indian Forest Service mains examination. So here we will discuss forestry as an optional, how to prepare. Before that, if you have a good understanding about Indian Forest Service mains examination, you will come to know that optional subject carry more weightage in Indian Forest Service examination, not like Indian Administrative Service examination where optionals having only one optional, but Indian Forest Service examination there will be two optionals. In Indian Administrative Service examination there are more importance to GS, that is General Studies. There will be 4 papers for General Studies, but in Indian Forest Service examination there is only 1 paper for General Studies and 1 paper for General English, which both carries 300 and 300 marks, that is 600 marks, but 2 optionals carry 400 marks each, that is 800 marks for optionals. So if you have written IAS mains examination, you do not need to worry about General Studies and General English. So in this short period of time you should focus on optional subjects. So we proceed how to approach forestry as your optional subject. So if you understand forestry as an optional subject, you will come to know the forestry is concept based optional. Here lot of concepts are there which are practically you can understand them and you can represent them in graphical manner. So that is why with short syllabus and clear understanding of concepts you can score very well in this forestry optional. Okay, now we will understand how to strategically approach forestry optional within a very short period of time. That is only approximately 1.5 months which is available between this mains IAS mains examination and IFOS mains examination 2020. So forestry as an optional, as I told, this is concept based. So clear understanding of the concept is the primary criteria for this optional subject. So there are standard books available in the market. Just buy standard books and cover all the concepts and understand them, and the next step is to prepare a notes, a standard compiled notes, processed notes for all the concept which is mentioned in the syllabus. It is important for revision. And the third thing is previous year question papers. Most of the questions, questions with concepts repeat in this mains examination. So if you have past 10-year previous year question papers and if you read them, if you have model answers for that, it is sufficient. So with this 3 important strategy you can score more than 250 marks, more than 300 marks in IFAS mains examination. So that is, first thing is reading the standard material, covering all the topics, concept understanding, and second thing is having compiled notes for each topics of the syllabus, and third point is having mock test, that is previous year question papers as well as any mock writing. So if you cover these things within 1 month, within 1.5 months, you will be having a very good planned preparation for this year mains examination. Here we understood about Indian Forest Service mains examination pattern, as well as how to approach forestry as an optional overview. In the next video, we'll discuss how to read individual sections inside the forestry optional, that is a detailed breakage of forestry optional, and as well as we'll discuss previous year questions and what is the relative importance of each section in the mains examination. Thank you.